In today's video, let me show you how to enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT to add an extra layer of security to your account. First, make sure you have the ChatGPT app. If not, go to your App Store or Play Store and download. Once downloaded, open the ChatGPT app and log into your account. Next, tap the two lines at the top left, then tap the three dots next to your name and select Security. Under Security, find Multi-Factor Authentication and turn it on. Tap Continue, then sign into your account again. After that, you'll see a setup key. Either scan the QR code or copy the key. Open your Authenticator app, like Google Authenticator. Tap the plus icon, then select Enter a setup key. Paste the key, name the account ChatGPT, and tap Add. Copy the code from your Authenticator and paste it back into the ChatGPT app. Tap Continue. Now, multi-factor authentication or MFA is enabled. Be sure to save your recovery code safely. Tap Continue and you're all set. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.